Hello everyone, this is Sarah Tidwell and welcome to my channel. What we're gonna do today is to unbox my Silhouette Cameo 3 that I received that I got last Christmas. So I'm pretty much excited about it, but before that I'm gonna tell you why I choose Silhouette Cameo 3 over the Cricut brand. There's only two main reasons why I choose the Silhouette Cameo 3. The first one, it works without internet connection, and unfortunately my place, the internet connection is not reliable, so this one reason gets me to choose the Silhouette Cameo 3. Number two is Silhouette Cameo 3 cuts longer. It cuts up to 10 feet long projects, whereas the Cricut brand is 24 inches long. So I'm planning to have a bigger project because I'm planning to make decals on my kid's bedroom. I know this machine has pros and cons, so I suggest when you plan to get one, you need to do your research. Like, see, I'm planning this, like, I know I'm gonna get a machine like 6 months ago, and I do like do research of this, just pick what machine fits me, I mean based on my needs. So that's just it. So back to unboxing. This is what I got from Amazon, from the Swing Design store. This is like a starter bundle, so it cost me like $300 plus shipping. So let's see what's inside. So very nice. So we have the sketch pens, about 24 colors. We have this, I guess this is the charger, or like you know, connect to the machine. So this is like an AC adapter or power cord. So power cord. So this is like the kit, you know, when the kit. Oracal 651. Oracle 651. Oracle 641. I know there's like two kinds of vinyl. You know, the one that you use indoor or outdoor, so I'm gonna figure it out. And we have this, the Ultimate Silhouette Beginner Guide to Heat Transfer Vinyl, and we have the Ultimate Silhouette Beginner Guide to Vinyl, so some kind of that. Oh, there's like a lot of stuff here too. Yeah, the Facebook group, design files and e-guides, the 30-day membership in the Silhouette Club, 1 month membership, beginner class, everything. Very nice. And then I have the Silhouette mat. And then let's see the machine. Oh no, this one is what it's called, a transfer tape. Oh, there's more. So this is like a glitter vinyl, I'm not really sure. So this stuff, So this is the machine. Oops. So this is the machine. Yeah, it's very nice. Look at this. I'm gonna set up this on my computer at the same time installing the software on my computer. So check it out on my next video. So I mentioned to my mother-in-law the you know that I'm planning to do crafting, something like that. So she gave me this thing. She gave me this. Very nice. Look at this kind of stuff. So she gave me this. So very nice. Order additional stuff too for, you know, for this crafting hobby. So this is like the pigskin. Pigskin. This is very important too. And the kit for wedding. Say like the 10 pieces craft lettering or wedding kit. Wedding kit. Weed. Yan. Wow. So meron yun siya. Yan. 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 Ito. Yan po. Yan. Check on my next video, the setting up and installation of my Silhouette Cameo 3 in my computer. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos in this channel, please subscribe. And if you want to see more updates of this channel, please click the notification bell below.